Good morning, all my dear students, and a warm welcome to Standard 4. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Students, due to the pandemic, we are not able to start our regular school, so that we are starting our academic year of 2021-22 with online lectures. Myself, Miss Rupal Barot, your new teacher for EVS 1. Students, last year in 3rd standard you have only EVS, but in 4th standard there are two subjects, EVS 1 and EVS 2, and I am your EVS 1 teacher. Got it? Who is your EVS 1 teacher? Miss Rupal Barot. Now students, what is EVS? I explain to you. The full form of EVS is Environmental Studies. EVS is the study of the environment that refers to the surroundings in which we live. Our surroundings includes living things as well as non-living things, and all of these support human beings directly and indirectly. हमारे आसपास हम जो भी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग मीन्स सजीव और निर्जीव चीज़ें देखते हैं, all these things together form our environment. ये सारी चीज़ें मिलकर हमारा पर्यावरण बनता है. Last year we studied what all is present in our environment. We understood how our body functions, our need for air, food and water means basic needs of all living things, our school and community life, which are our senses and their functions and growing up. तीसरी कक्षा में हमने सीखा कि हमारा शरीर कैसे काम करता है, हमारी रोज़िंदी ज़रूरतें क्या है, हमारे सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स कैसे काम करते हैं, हम लोग कैसे बड़े होते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह. And today we will begin with the first chapter for your 4th standard. The name of the chapter is The Life Cycle of Animals. Students, please watch the video till the end so that you can understand the lesson very well. Students, can you see the image of your EVS 1 textbook in front of you? This is your EVS 1 textbook. This textbook is easily available in the markets, so you can purchase the book from outside. Now, all these are the contents for your 4th standard. All these lessons you will learn throughout the year. You can see that there are total 24 lessons. Now, this is the very first page of the lesson. Lesson number 1, the life cycle of animals. Now, what do you mean by life cycle? Life cycle means the process in which an animal or a human being grow and develops and goes from birth to death. We all are born as small babies. Then we grow into kids, then into teenagers, and then adults, and finally we become old. This is our life cycle. लाइफ साइकिल मीन्स जीवन चक्र. जब हम पैदा होते हैं तो हम बहुत छोटे होते हैं, फिर धीरे धीरे हम जवान होते हैं और धीरे धीरे बूढ़े होते हैं. ये हमारा जीवन चक्र है. इवन द एनिमल्स अराउंड अस हैव अ लाइफ साइकिल, बट दे आर अ लिटिल डिफरेंट देन अस. जैसे हमारा जीवन चक्र होता है वैसे एनिमल्स का भी जीवन चक्र होता है, लेकिन हमारे जीवन चक्र से उनका जीवन चक्र थोड़ा अलग रहता है. If you have seen a small puppy and a full grown dog, they look similar. The only difference is size. अगर हम लोग एक कुत्ते के पिल्ले को और एक कुत्ते को देखते हैं, दोनों में बहुत समानताएं दिखाई देती हैं. सिर्फ दोनों के आकार में फ़र्क दिखाई देता है. A small kitten and an adult cat also look similar. बिल्ली और उसका बच्चा भी एक जैसे ही लगते हैं. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and also born from there. ये बच्चे अपने माँ की पेट में ही बड़े होते हैं और वहाँ से ही पैदा होते हैं. Cows, horses, dogs, cats are the examples of it. But we have also seen that there are many other animals which lay eggs. लेकिन हम लोगों ने ऐसे भी एनिमल्स देखे हैं जो अंडे देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल hens. We all know that chicken is born from an egg. The egg is big enough for us to see it. मुर्गी के अंडे को हम आसानी से देख सकते हैं. But do you know that there are various other animals who also lay eggs? Ants, butterflies, snakes, fishes, frogs, all of these animals lay eggs, but they are so small and tiny that we cannot see them, and hence we didn't know that these animals also lay eggs. क्या आप लोग जानते हैं कि मुर्गी के जैसे और भी बहुत सारे प्राणी हैं जो अंडे देते हैं, जैसे कि चींटी, तितली, सांप, मछली, मेंढक, लेकिन उनके अंडे बहुत छोटे होते हैं. इस वजह से हम लोग उन्हें देख नहीं सकते. बट a hen's egg is easily noticed by all of us. लेकिन मुर्गी के अंडे को हम आसानी से देख सकते हैं. A hen lays eggs. Now, for the small chick to grow inside the egg, warmth is necessary. So, to keep them warm, the hen sits on the eggs after laying them, and then the chick starts growing slowly in the egg. मुर्गी अंडों के ऊपर बैठकर उन्हें गर्मी देती है, जिससे चूजे धीरे धीरे बड़े होते हैं. This goes on for some time. This process is called hatching. You can see in the picture that how the hen gives warmth to her chicks. So what exactly is hatching? Hatching मतलब अंडे सेने. When a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. जब मुर्गी अपने अंडों के ऊपर बैठकर उन्हें गर्मी देती है, उसे अंडे सेना मीन्स हैचिंग कहते हैं. Once the growth of the chick is completed, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. जैसे ही चूजे थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं, वो अंडे को तोड़कर बाहर आते हैं. But the chick is still small, so the mother hen looks after the chicks till they grow a little bigger. लेकिन अभी भी चूजे बहुत छोटे हैं, इसलिए मुर्गी तब तक उनका ध्यान रखती है जब तक कि वो और थोड़े बड़े ना हो जाए. When the hen is hatching her eggs, she does not come out of the coop. She guards her eggs ferociously and attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. जब मुर्गी अपने अंडे को सेती है तो वो बहुत आक्रामकता से, भयानकता से उन्हें सेती है, और कोई भी अगर उनके नज़दीक आने की कोशिश करता है तो वो उस पर अटैक करती है, हमला करती है. She comes out of the coop only when she is thirsty or hungry. Even if she steps out, she's back soon. The hen hatches her eggs for many hours in the day. जब उसे भूख या प्यास लगती है तब भी वो कूप में से बाहर आती है और फटाफट से वापस चली जाती है, और दिन में वो कई घंटे अपने अंडे को सेती है. Just as our mothers care for us, the hen also cares for her chicks. Now, once the hen grows up, we see that there are a lot of similarities between a hen and a chicken. But we all know that there are a lot of differences between a caterpillar and a butterfly. The process of young ones till the time they grow into adults is known as metamorphosis. हम देखते हैं कि मुर्गी और चूजे में बहुत समानताएं होती है. एट द सेम टाइम हम देखते हैं कि कैटरपिलर और बटरफ्लाई में बहुत असमानताएं होती है. ये जो रूपांतर होता है, ये जो काया पलट होती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मेटामॉर्फोसिस. नाउ वी विल सी how metamorphosis takes place in a butterfly. We are delighted by the sight of a bright and colorful butterflies of different shapes and sizes. Butterflies are the part of our environment. They live their life among plants. Butterflies, तितलियाँ सबको ही बहुत प्यारी लगती है. तितलियाँ हमारे पर्यावरण का एक हिस्सा है और वो पत्तों के बीच अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजारती है. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The final stage of caterpillar is called a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is most commonly seen in India. Let us understand the life cycle of butterfly through this example. अभी हम प्लेन टाइगर बटरफ्लाई के उदाहरण से बटरफ्लाइज का जीवन चक्र देखेंगे. A female butterfly lays its egg on the leaves of the milkweed or rui plants. After 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. This stage varies from one butterfly to another. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Caterpillar differs in shape and size. They also have different colors. Caterpillars are long and most of them have tiny fibrous hair on their bodies. कैटरपिलर्स अलग अलग शेप्स और साइज़ के होते हैं और उनके रंग भी अलग अलग होते हैं. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is extremely hungry. It starts eating up the very leaf it was born on. Caterpillar's growth is very fast. जब कैटरपिलर्स अंडे में से बाहर आता है तो वो बहुत भूखा होता है और जहाँ पे वो बॉर्न होता है, पैदा होता है, वो पत्ते को वो खाना स्टार्ट करता है. उनका ग्रोथ बहुत जल्दी होता है, मीन्स वो बहुत जल्दी बढ़ते हैं. While cleaning leafy vegetables, we see leaves which have holes of different sizes in them or which have been eaten up. What can be the reason for this? जब हम पत्ते वाली सब्जियां साफ़ करते हैं तो उस पे हमें छेद दिखाई देते हैं या कटी हुई दिखाई देती है. इसका कारण क्या है? The reason is that caterpillars of some insects remain on leaves and eat them up. Sometimes while cleaning beans or peas, we find tiny green living things in them. They belong to which stage in the life cycle of a butterfly? Yes, they belong to the larva stage. जब हम लोग फरसबी या मटर साफ़ करते हैं तो कभी कभी हमें उसमें ग्रीन कलर के कीड़े दिखाई देते हैं. दैट इज़ द लार्वा स्टेज ऑफ ए बटरफ्लाई. फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 or 2.5 days, the larva of the plain tiger butterfly grows so big that it does not fit inside its skin. पहले 2 या 2.5 दिन में लार्वा बहुत जल्दी से बढ़ता है और वो अपनी चमड़ी में फिट नहीं आता है. बट अंडर द ओल्ड स्किन अ न्यू लूज स्किन इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ग्रोइंग कैटरपिलर. परंतु वो पुरानी चमड़ी के नीचे और एक ढीली चमड़ी तैयार होती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड मोल्ड्स. हियर इज द न्यू वर्ड मोल्ड्स. इट मीन्स shed old feathers, hair or skin to make way for a new growth. Motes means पुरानी चमड़ी को गिरा के नई चमड़ी धारण करना. That is called motes. The caterpillar starts eating very fast all over again, and at the same time it starts molting after about 2 or 2.5 days. The caterpillar again sheds its skin. In this way, the caterpillar grows and moves for 4 times in this stage. इस तरह से कैटरपिलर 4 बार अपनी पुरानी चमड़ी गिरा के नई चमड़ी धारण करता है। In the plain tiger butterfly, the caterpillar stage lasts for 10 to 12 days. After the caterpillar sheds its skin for the 4th time, in the 5th time, the caterpillar secretes a liquid flow its lower lip, which resembles a silk thread. This stage is called the pupa stage. The caterpillar rests in the pupa stage for 11 to 12 days. It does not eat anything in this stage. कैटरपिलर स्टेज में वो 10 से 12 दिन तक रहता है और जब 5वीं बार वो अपनी पुरानी चमड़ी को छोड़ के नई चमड़ी धारण करता है, उसके निचले होंठ से सिल्क के धागे जैसा लिक्विड निकलता है। दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्यूपा स्टेज और क्रिसलिस। ये स्टेज में वो 11 से 12 दिन तक रहता है और वो कुछ भी नहीं खाता है। The caterpillar undergoes drastic transformation inside the chrysalis. ये स्टेज में उसमें बहुत बड़े परिवर्तन होते हैं। Inside the chrysalis, its legs grow longer, attractive wings are formed. The plain tiger butterfly is now fully grown inside the chrysalis. Finally, the adult butterfly is ready to emerge out from the chrysalis. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. सारे बटरफ्लाइज ये 4 स्टेजेस से पास होते हैं, गुजरते हैं। You must have seen some small insects in the stored grains in your houses. Now what happens? We have cleaned the grain and we store it in a box. But if a female insect lays eggs in this grain, we cannot see them because of their tiny size. They get warmth and air from the box in which they are stored. They also have the same stages of growth: egg, larva, pupa and adult. So, when we open the box, we see the insects. Now we will take the summary of the lesson. So students, today we learned that there are a few animals who lay eggs and some animals are also born from their mother's tummy. We know about hens who lay eggs, but there are ants, fishes, frogs, etc. etc. We learned about hatching, where mother hen sits on her eggs so that the chick can grow inside the egg. A hen's chick takes 20 to 22 days to grow in its egg. The hen hatches the egg. A fully grown chick breaks open the eggshell and comes out. There are 4 stages of growth in a butterfly: eggs, larva, pupa and adult. The plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of milkweed or rui plants. After 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg, that is called the caterpillar. It takes 10 to 12 days for the caterpillar to grow fully during this stage. In this stage, the caterpillar sheds its skin for 4 times. After it is fully grown, the caterpillar secretes a liquid from its lower lip, which resembles a silk thread. The caterpillar weaves a pupa or a chrysalis. A fully grown butterfly emerges from the chrysalis after 11 or 12 days. Now the butterfly has 6 long legs and beautiful colorful wings. This is the life cycle of a plain tiger butterfly. So students, please revise all the important topics at home. Please read and learn the new terms like hatching and molts along with their definitions. Soon we will meet in the next class with the notes of the lesson, the life cycle of a animals. Till then, stay home, stay safe.